Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Shifting Awareness to Higher Vibration. By Angel V. ORNEDO Jr. Wednesday, March 16, 10:08 p.m. Little smiles, look from the eyes, from glitters you see, from humans you encounter, and you understand the reason why you are here on earth. Understand this statement when you are at peace with yourself by looking at the mirror and look at your eyes image, deeper within, feel, see, and sense the spirit within your inner light, your sun, your soul, your spirit. Look at the eyes of humans with smiles on their eyes while looking very deep onto their spirit. Their fleeting presence are split seconds of eyes meeting eyes, they are gone in instant, our spiritual brothers and sisters of the future, our virtual reminders of our mission as light worker, an angel from a far away higher vibrational frequency of the future. Meeting your new acquaintances are reminders by these simple looks through the eyes as you connect with the spirit. Instantly you fly centuries to the future, to your spiritual family, your soul group, when you sign a contract with them to come to Mother Earth and plant the seeds for our current times and assist as a light worker, a mover, never judgmental of human character. You are shifting your awareness and knowing your real path. All these little knowledge are your preparation moments to higher vibration. Touch down to heart, the center of everything in your being, the repository of your powers from telepathy, vibration shift, miracles, and to ascension, which you are now fully activating with light codes and energies from source, and your shift of awareness happens. Fully awaken within and your awareness shifts. Our evolutionary history goes far back to the land of Mu, and Atlantis, and far back where our mental powers are fully developed but ego and darkness prevailed, requiring clearing karma for us to be prepared to join Mother Earth in her trek to a higher vibrational frequency. Humans are discovering their antiquities, their physical leftovers. The discoveries of man-made residences or concrete improvements under the seas, oceans, and nearby shores of various countries from Japan, to the Pacific and Atlantic Ocean, ruined by a combination of self-aggrandizement and effects of darkness. Humans have had advanced civilization, and darkness make it appear we came from the caves. We notice today the strength of the feminine energy where they rule nations as politicians, similar to women's advanced energy development in Atlantis, where they have clairvoyance, third eye, intuition, and spiritual power, now strengthened anew. New Zealand, Germany, and several USA states are political examples where feminine energy rule. But fake news are very strong, as the 13 very rich families are controlling the media to say what they want, puppet what they want, from pharma to government and biological warfare, to eliminate mankind or reduce our growing spiritual numbers, thus reduce the effect of collective consciousness. But that is not the short of it. When the Americas are exporting their manufacture of plagues to undeveloped countries to create a scenario of gloom and doom, creating wars, exporting war machines, the last vestiges of the dark, trying to control humanity through darkness using the wealth of nations. Still, money controls everything on earth, and we just all have to awaken and be completely aware and know the truth. Our consciousness is the real controller of everything, as science has proven that one aware human consciousness can help control 800,000 people in other lands. What if there are 100 million of us praying for peace in war-torn countries, that will stop human desire for war and destruction? At the Middle East, at Taliban-controlled areas, women and children's rights are violated, trampled, and in some countries considered women non-humans, equivalent to men slaves, far different to Atlantis times when women are equal in all aspects of living. At the Middle East countries, Iraq and Afghanistan Talibans, women and children are shot dead if they try to learn how to read and write or ask a question, memories of barbaric times. These are signs of retrogression of evolution, when humans are advanced beings and history rewritten by darkness, that we emanate from barbaric cavemen. In Atlantis, men are crazy of their technology and their desire to create superior forms of beings through genetic engineering, disregarding the lives of humans and other life forms, thus humans have fallen to the dark. They are part of us, and are now horrible reflections of what we have done, karma taking full shape. In short, they lack empathy, which current humans have in most cases, except when Hitler, Pol Pot, and Lenin restored the Atlantic attitude, further extending the control of darkness in our midst. We lost our connection to our heart center, where everything originates, where our soul resides, where all powers reside, where love resides. We are separated from source. Get prepared, as those not ready will be left behind during the shift. Love is the power that empowers all beings, coming and flowing from the heart center, a wisdom that is shared to all beings, humanity and that of the earth. Love is described as pure, and sincere flow of wisdom from the heart. Source provided the highest frequency of energy at our times, opening awareness within us. The consciousness of Christ came in early 2007 for myself, that strike deep into my heart, opening instantly my connection with cosmic beings of light and Yeshua, Roman Jesus. Oneness with my inner light, the inner sun within, Christ, and myself merged into a union of light blazing to the galaxies. Telepathically our thoughts, communion in my feelings merged with Christ, a reality at that moment, I deeply understand as a trinity, light blazing sun, Christ, and myself one, and unity oneness emanating from the heart. Let us pray deeper that we will never exemplify personalizing gods on earth as we create gods in every religion we humans create. There is only Source, all that is, everything, the controller, supreme being, and creator of all that is in the universe. Imagine humanity's suffering have lasted more than several billion years as darkness reigned. But times are times we work as collective consciousness and reduplicating the works of Christ in the saints of our times, a groundswell near to completion. I reiterate, our times, humans made God personal, that is, a religion has a personal God, on knowing that there is only one Source, all that is, everything that guides and balances the whole universe to creation and continuing expansion. We all know our mission, as volunteers, truly learning light, knowing love. We are no longer buried between the light and the dark, as dark is still a part of the experience God would like us to know and differentiate as still being a part of the creation of Source, all that is, for the experience God desires too hard for humans to decipher. The dark is learning the fractals of being light, or in short, how they can be light. We have come to full circle as we experience the light and the dark as an angel understanding what real life is. Oneness, unity consciousness, that is who we really are, eternal unity with Source while our journey continues. We are all members of the spiritual family, playing our roles in a stage desirous of shift to the next higher vibration, evolving, that is the fifth vibrational frequency, stepping on the sixth ladder with human collective consciousness, preparing again to next higher dimensions, 6th, 7th and 8th, 12th, what we all know as the kingdom of heaven, the journey. The shift in awareness is in reality the ascension we know, a shift to a much higher vibration. We are still many steps to truth, to the kingdom we all desire on our journey to our spiritual family, the kingdom of heaven we all aspire, one step to our continuing journey. The truth is the shift in human awareness is our collective consciousness create the reality of the vibrational frequency we aspire for. Love and Light, Angel V. ORNEDO Jr. About the author, Angel teaches love, light and field of unity consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at sea/me and organize corporations creating jobs, share knowledge as faculty or officer at universities, boards and associations. Angel is MBA, CPA, link at ornedo@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Libris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or ebooks and articles at the net.